What is keyword research in SEO? Keyword research is the process of discovering the words and phrases people use when searching for information, products, or services online, then using those insights to shape your content, pages, and marketing strategy, and is the backbone of every successful SEO strategy. It helps you understand what your audience is searching for and how to create content that ranks and converts. Choosing the wrong keywords can waste time, harm rankings, and attract the wrong traffic. In this guide, we explain what keyword research is, why it's essential, and the common mistakes businesses must avoid to succeed online. What is keyword research? At its core, keyword research identifies search queries, keywords, with real user demand. It looks at search volume. How many people search for a term? Search intent. Whether users want information, to buy, to compare, or to find a local provider. Keyword difficulty competition. How hard it is to rank for that term. Related and long-tail queries. More specific phrases that often convert better and are easier to rank for. Why keyword research is important. Good keyword research underpins practically every part of SEO and content strategy. Key benefits include audience alignment. You create content that matches what people actually search for, increasing relevant traffic. Improved search visibility. Targeting the right keywords helps search engines understand and surface your pages to the right users. Higher conversion potential. Targeting high-intent keywords, e.g., buy blue running shoes size 10, attracts users who are more likely to convert. Content planning. A keyword map helps prioritize topics, product pages, and blog posts so you invest resources where they'll matter most. Competitive insight. Research reveals what competitors rank for and where gaps exist you can exploit. Example, searching only for shoes vs targeting long-tail terms like waterproof hiking boots Ireland size 9 has very different user intent and conversion likelihood. The long-tail phrase is more specific, often lower competition, and usually delivers higher conversion rates. How to approach keyword research, in brief. A good workflow typically includes brainstorm seed topics relevant to your business. Use keyword tools to expand seed ideas into related queries and volume estimates. Group keywords by intent, informational, navigational, transactional, local. Map keywords to pages, avoid cannibalization by assigning unique target phrases per page. Prioritize by opportunity, balance volume, intent, and ranking difficulty. Common mistakes and drawbacks of poor keyword research. Getting keyword research wrong can waste time, budget, and damage results. Common pitfalls include targeting overly broad or impossible keywords. Chasing high-volume head terms without the domain authority to compete results in low ROI. Ignoring search intent. Ranking for keywords that don't match what users want leads to high bounce rates and low conversions. Keyword cannibalization. Multiple pages competing for the same keyword dilute each other's ranking potential. Over-optimization, keyword stuffing. Forcing keywords into copy harms readability and can trigger algorithmic penalties. Neglecting long-tail and local phrases. Missing these often valuable opportunities reduces chances to capture qualified traffic. Relying solely on volume. High search volume doesn't always equal business value, relevance and intent matter more. Real-world consequence. An online store optimizes product pages for cheap watches, high volume, but its customers search for luxury mechanical watches Ireland. Traffic may rise, but conversion falls because intent didn't match the business offering. How to reduce risk and do keyword research right. Prioritize intent. Always map keywords to what users want to achieve. Mix head and long-tail keywords. Use high-volume terms for awareness and long-tail for conversions. Audit and consolidate. Find and fix pages that cannibalize each other, consolidate where sensible. Use analytics. Combine keyword data with real behavior, GA4 Search Console, to validate assumptions. Test and iterate. Monitor rankings, click-throughs, and conversions, then refine targets based on performance. Keyword research is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing, data-driven process that directs content, product, and marketing decisions. Done well, it aligns your site with customer intent, drives qualified traffic, and maximizes conversions. Done poorly, it leads to wasted effort, low engagement, and missed opportunities. Make keyword research a cornerstone of your SEO strategy and keep refining as search behavior evolves. Start small, pick a few high-intent long-tail keywords relevant to your business, optimize pages for them, and measure the impact before scaling up.